Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha states that Barira came to me and said, "My masters have agreed to sell my freedom for 9 uqiyas by paying 1 uqiya per annum. So you may help me in this regard." Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha said, "If your masters like, I will make spot lump sum payment and manumit you, but the right of inheritance will be with me." Hazrat Barira radiallahu anha mentioned it to her masters, but they refused it and said, "Right of inheritance will belong to us." Barira came to me and notified me of it. I scolded her and said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, it will not happen." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam heard about it and then asked me about this matter. So I told him the complete episode. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Purchase her and then emancipate her, and let the right of inheritance be conditional for them. Actually, the right of inheritance goes to him who manumits." I did the same in the evening. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam delivered the sermon in it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam extolled and glorified Allah Jalla Jalaluhu as He Jalla Jalaluhu deserves, and then said, "What has happened to these people? They are imposing such conditions as are not in Allah's book, and the condition which is not in Allah's book is invalid, even if there are 100 such conditions. Allah's book is more deserving to be followed. Allah's condition is the most binding. What is the matter with those people who say, manumit so and so, whereas we will enjoy the right of inheritance? The right of inheritance goes only to him who emancipates." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3758.